more stuff in the boxes. So let's see what we got. Got the wrong window wrap, but it's still our room. So let's see. Ooh, comes with disposable gloves. We got some molds to make food, thick food with. What is this? Ooh, it is a rotary toolkit. Watch out, props people, this box is for you. Paint. What's this little guy? Oh, look at this cute little thing. That's smaller than I thought it was gonna be. A finger mold, so we can make fake fingers. Fake fingers. Delightful. That's it in there. Come over here. And you can pop this puppy open in a little while. Not yet, though. We got some more drills. Oh, I'm gonna need some scissors for these. Let's get some scissors. You wanna come with me? Sure you do. All right. Let's see what's in box number 2. Haven't got my box cutters yet, so still using scissors the wrong way. Watch your fingers, kids. Don't do this at home. All right, let's see. Oh, here we go. Oh, I'm just gonna rip it open. Rip it open. Oh my gosh, so hard to get open. This is some good taping job here. The packers, they should get a promotion if that's their only job. Because they're doing it right. This box was not gonna be open. Oh, I got some more tape here. All right, let's not be lazy and let's do it the right way. Let's cut that tape. Cut that tape. Okay, opening this box. Box number 2. Cut that tape. There we go. Oh, look at that. We got a bag. Okay, pipe and drape that we have not got yet. We've not received the pipe and drape itself, but we got a carrying case for when it comes. That'll be handy for masking the backstage area. And we have another box. This is not going to be pipe and drape though. Way too small. Oh, I like that prime tape. It's so easy to rip. Yet sturdy somehow. Whoever engineered that tape deserves a promotion. Okay, what we got here? It looks like we have our mops. Mops made in China. 3 of them. Are those just mop heads? We will find out another day. I thought I ordered the whole mop handle. So, that makes sense why they were so cheap. Okay, well, let's pop them up. Let's pop them up and don't ever stop. All right, let's see. Get this out of the way. Oh, there is a handle in there. Look at that. I don't think there's not. You can't possibly. They're big in this little tiny box. Well, let's see what happens. Oh, the pole detaches and assembles. Okay, there's a mop head and a 3-piece pole. Look at that. All right, well, we can put that together another day. We got another box. Let's see what's in here. Broken video. Key instead of the scissor. Oh boy, it was the one thing, the linchpin we needed. More mop heads! Yay! Oh, for crying out loud.